What's going on everybody, it's Sean here, and in today's video, I'm here to give you guys a review of the Adidas I-5923 runner, also known as the Iniki in the Pride colorway. These dropped on June 1st for $130 US or 170 Canadian dollars. The official colorway for this shoe is cream white, footwear white, and core black. This shoe, if you guys didn't know, was part of the Adidas Pride Pack that's celebrating the Pride month of June. This is why the entire shoe is covered in this pastel rainbow theme. Jumping straight into the review, the base of the shoe is constructed using this cream-colored nylon-like material. Unlike your traditional I-5923 or Iniki, where the base material is much more stretchy and much more clingy, this one has a bit more of a plasticky feel to it, and it's a bit more rigid overall. So as a result, when you look at this at certain angles, you can see how the material sort of has a natural crease to it, and it doesn't exactly drape to the shape of your foot. Wrapping around the edge of the toe box, we have this pastel blue colored suede, and then on the lateral side, we have these Adidas 3 stripes. This is done in a pastel green. You can see right here as well, we have this I-5923 branding done in tonal fashion. Flipping it over to the medial side, the 3 stripes here are done in a pastel yellow sort of hue, and it sort of has like a vintage or dirty vibe to it. Taking a look at the back heel, on the bottom we have this suede overlay done in pink, and above this we have this reddish suede. Stamped onto the red suede, we have this Adidas trefoil logo. This is done in like a violet or purple color. Taking a look at the center of the shoe, wrapping around where the eyelets are, we have this gray colored suede, and then the laces on these shoes are a flat style lace done in an off-white cream color. The tongue, which is connected to the rest of the shoe, is constructed using the same nylon-like material that was found along the toe box. At the very top, we have this cream colored patch of synthetic leather. On the outside, we have this Adidas trefoil branding done in rainbow fashion, and on the back side, we have the word love on the left shoe and the word unites on the right shoe. The inner walls of the shoe is lined in this cream colored synthetic leather, and the same is true for the insole as well. The insole in this case, like all your Inikis, are stitched directly onto the boost itself, so this means that this insole is not removable. As you take a closer look, you can see there's Adidas branding as well as Love Unites branding. This is printed directly onto the insole. The upper of these I-5923s sit atop this white colored boost midsole, and then taking a look at the very bottom, here we have your standard I-5923 outsole. This is constructed using black rubber, and at the very bottom we have this Adidas branding. In terms of sizing, so I got these in both a size 10 and a size 10.5. Really, depending on what kind of socks you're wearing and what kind of fit you prefer, my feet kind of fit somewhere between the 10 and a 10.5. So the 10.5 gave me a very relaxed and comfortable fit, whereas the 10 was a bit more snug and I can kind of feel my toes touching the edge, but overall it was much less sloppy. To give you guys a point of reference, 10.5 is the same size I would get in other Adidas shoes like the Ultra Boost 2.0 and the EQT9317. In contrast, size 10 is what I would go for the Ultra Boost 3.0 and the NMD R1 Prime Knit. So I'd recommend trying them on in store if you can. Otherwise, sticking with your true Adidas size would be a good bet if you want a more locked down and secure fit. Otherwise, going up a half size from your normal Prime Knit shoe size would be better if you want more of a relaxed fit or if you do plan on wearing thicker socks with these. Comfort wise, so I've always said that the Inikis are a pretty solid shoe from a comfort standpoint, and this colorway is no exception. It's not going to feel exactly like the Ultra Boost or the 9317, but it is more comfortable than the NMDs. For an everyday shoe that you don't have to worry too much about keeping clean and keeping them in great condition, this shoe is an excellent shoe from a comfort standpoint. So with all that being said, now let me lace these up and show you guys how these look on feet. When I first saw images of this shoe, I was already a big fan. To begin with, I am a fan of the Iniki or I-5923 silhouette, and I really like how Adidas was able to implement this rainbow theme of color, but in more of a muted pastel look. By doing this, I feel Adidas made the shoe much more wearable while maintaining the theme and the message that they were going for. However, the one thing I didn't love was this cream-colored mesh or nylon material that they used. I would have preferred if they used the OG material, which was much softer, much more flexible, which would prevent these weird creases found on the shoe. So let me know in the comments down below what you guys think of these Pride I-5923s. If you guys like this video, be sure to like, comment, and subscribe. Give me a follow on Instagram at sgo8, and be sure to check out my website at seango.ca. So thank you guys so much for tuning in. Hopefully you guys enjoyed this video, and I'll catch you guys in my next review.